This video will be an overview of the Ammonoosuc Ravine Trail to Mount Washington. I took the path in blue here and it took me a little under 4 hours. I'd recommend 2.5 water bottles, or water bottles worth of water, per person, per direction, as an up or down. The weather can change very quickly and very drastically. The Ammonoosuc Ravine Trail is about 7.25 kilometers long from start to finish. About midway, or more like a little past 2/3 of the way, there is a cabin with a water refilling station. In general, I'd recommend a warm sweater and long pants, and, if possible, good shoes. Forest. It can get humid in the forest, and the river may have differing water levels depending on how much it rained, or how recently it rained. This portion of the trail has a lot of roots from the trees and some stones too. Watch your footing, and watch where you are going. Here there will be blue painted trail markings on the trees. Moose and black bears are native to the White Mountains, but as far as I know, I'd recommend just singing or talking often, as to let them know where you are. There is a short wooden bridge on a steep bank section, and there's a place where you'll have to step on stones to not step in the water. Then there is a semi-steep section with a stair-like trail. Then there will most likely be a 3-step ladder. The trail will start to include patches of bare rock the higher you go. Nearing the tree line, you'll have to cross a stream. When I did the trail in early August, it was about a meter wide and a few centimeters deep. There will be portions of the trail where you'll have to cross bare or somewhat bare rock, and the rock that you'll have to cross is somewhat at an angle. As you near the tree line, the trees will get shorter, and some more of the sunlight, if the sun is out, will reach you. Sun hat may help you to keep you cool or to keep the sunlight out of your eye. Mount Washington, unlike Carpathian, does not have much of a Polonina. Alpine tundra. A little bit above the tree line will be a cabin where there will be a water refill station. It's called Lake of the Clouds for a good reason. Up here, the weather changes fast and drastically. At this point, there will be no trees for trail markers to be on, and instead there will be rock cairns, or specifically placed rock piles. Here the trail is quite rocky and there are a few switchbacks, and it can be somewhat steep. There are both patches of soil and rock in the presidential range alpine tundra, so be careful not to go off the trail. The plant life, including moss, is vulnerable to being squished here, so be aware. Throughout the trails are nice views, scenery, and wildlife. It's windy up here. Chance of snows year-round. Soon, you'll reach the highest natural point in the northeastern region of the United States. Overall, not always a smooth trail, and sometimes a bit steep at times, but it is one of the shorter trails to the summit. Very nice scenery and views throughout. Would go again.